Hello guys, back again with this another video. In this video I'm going to show how to convert any decimal number into the octal number. So what we're gonna do in this video is use the same concept as the last one. We're gonna, instead of using 16, we're gonna put 8. So what we're gonna do, any number which is divisible by 8 and has a remainder anything, we're going to subtract the remainder from the number itself. I'm going to divide it by 8. I'm going to insert certain numbers at certain indexes. So this concept is the same, and here we are going to use 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remember, we are not going to use 8 in octal conversion. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go, so I'm gonna define my int, so integer, because I want integer. I don't want any floats. I'm gonna define the input as enter your number where the user is going to type the number. I'm gonna put space. I'm gonna define it as a variable called number. Okay, this is our variable equals number, and in the second line what I'm gonna do, type octal. I'm gonna leave it as it is, a list, octal list. I'm gonna define I have defined octal as a list, and I'm gonna run a while loop for the variable number not equals 0, semicolon. If number if number if number is divisible by 8, let's see, if the number is divisible by 8, if the number when divided by 8 has a remainder 1, okay, 1, then we're gonna modify our number as follows. I'm gonna divide the number by 8, and this is our number, and I'm gonna insert into my list 0, 1. Okay, 0, 1, and I'm gonna run else if statement. elif number when I divide my number by 8 and the remainder comes out to be 2. Okay, then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna modify the number as follows. Number minus, we're gonna subtract 2 from the number itself, we're gonna divide the whole by 8. What we're gonna get is this value, and I'm gonna insert octal dot insert 0, 2. That's it. And remember, this is the index and this is the object. Okay, I've already done it, so I'm going to just paste because I've already done it. So this is how you are going to approach this program. For example, if the remainder comes out to be 3, I'm going to subtract from the number 3, I'm going to divide it by 8, I'm going to insert 0, 3, and so on, so forth. And when the number is completely divisible by 8, what we're going to do is like this, and this terminates when number equals 0. What we're going to do next is print our list. Okay, for that I'm going to use double F formatted. Okay, your octal number is curly braces list, or octal list. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Now let's see if it's working. If I want to type in 8, it should give me 10. Let's see what happens. 10. And for example, if I want to type in 64, what happens? 64. 100. Okay, any number. For example, I want to do like this. Yeah, it's our octal conversion, as you can see. And that's pretty much it. And I hope you guys understood this concept, and if you guys liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. I'll be coming with more videos, and I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, stay safe. Peace.